Hello everyone, welcome to this series of videos on Java. My name is Chitish Bhattacharya, and what I believe is whenever you are trying to learn something new, you should always have an end goal or a problem you are trying to solve. That way, you learn things better. So, in this series of videos, what we are trying to do or what our end goal will be is to try and develop a Java application called examination that will take input for marks obtained by the students in various subjects, then make some calculations, and finally give the result for the position of the students. Okay, very simple example. And meanwhile, while doing that, we're going to learn the various features of the Java programming language. That will be our goal. Okay, so here I am in Eclipse IDE, and I'll be using Eclipse for developing this application, but you can choose to use any other IDE of your choice like IntelliJ or NetBeans. You could also use a simple text editor like Notepad. However, I would recommend you to use an IDE because it makes things a lot simpler. And with that, let's get started. So in Eclipse, I'm going to click File, New, and Project. Okay, so here under Java, I'm going to select Java project and click on Next. Now we'll give it a name, project name. I'll call this examination, and we'll be using Java 1.8, and the rest will be default. So click on Next and then Finish. This kind of project is associated with Java perspective. Do you want to open this perspective now? Okay, you can choose to do anything. I'm going to say here no. Now our empty project has been created. Okay, here we have all the jars that are required, and also we have an empty src folder. Now all our code, all our classes will go under this folder. So let's go ahead and create a class over here. Right click on src, new, and then go to other. Okay, now you can go ahead and choose class, but it's usually a good practice to keep all of your code under a package. So I'm going to create a package over here. Select next and give it a name. We'll call this com.java examples. Now it's usually a good practice to write the names of a package in this order, in a reverse order, com dot. So I'm going to click on finish now. And now we have a package over here. So next we create, right click, new, other, and we're going to create a class under this package. Select class, next, and then we'll give it a name, result. Okay, and which method stubs would you like to create? We're going to select the first one, public static void main string args. Okay, select it, finish. And now we have a class under the package com.java examples. Okay, the class result, and it has a public static void main method. Okay, so what main method is every Java application, it needs a main class. This is the point from where the execution of the application starts. So we can have many other methods. This is a method We can have other methods as well, like public void test and lots of other methods, but everything will start from here. And so if we want to invoke the test, we might do so from here. Okay, we'll talk about functions, methods later in this course. For now, in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to print a simple text message onto the console. So whenever you are learning some new programming language, uh, it is a good convention to start with a hello world program. So in this video as well, we're going to just print out that hello world message. Okay, so to do that, what we need is going to write sys control space and then select the second option. Okay, so if you are using an IDE, it will give such kind of suggestions. And what system out println does is it will print out a message, and we are going to now write a message inside this parenthesis. Okay, so I'm going to write hello Java. Now you may be wondering what all of these mean: public static void, string args, and what system out println is. So we're going to talk about all of these in a later video. For now, this is just a means to print something to the console. So we're going to now go ahead and run this. So save your file and then click on run, and hello Java has been printed onto the console. Okay, so in this video all we did was set up a project, create a package, under that package create a class result, then that class had a main method from where the application begins to execute, and we simply printed out a message onto the console. Okay, so this was very simple stuff. Again, we are going to build this incrementally, as I said earlier. But that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.